Welcome to this instructional video. Here we will show you how to operate the mobile app of VivoLead, and how to make a simple opportunity registration, send emails, create activities, and much more. Locate the VivoLead app icon on your mobile device, and press the icon to launch the app. Now insert your login credentials, previously sent to you from your VivoLead administrator by email. When logged in, you will end up at the opportunity list screen, ready to make a new opportunity. First, a quick walkthrough of the simple interface. At the button navigation bar, we have the following sections. The dollar icon represents a list of all your registered opportunities, showing on the screen right now. Next, we have the checkmark icon taking you to the activity list of records. And finally, we have the gear icon taking you to the settings and help area of the app. The big green plus icon will be your starting point for making a new registration. At the very top, you can use the search field to search for any company listings. For every registration on the opportunity list, you can see the following information: company name, contact person, sales event, date of creation, and then you either have a green or red mail icon to the right, indicating whether a confirmation email has been sent or not. Let's start making a simple registration. Press the green big plus icon that will take you to the contact screen. Here you can either manually type in the contact information or scan a business card for easy handling. To scan a business card, press the camera icon that will activate the camera on your mobile device. Then take the photo, and then the processing of the business card begins after 2 seconds, and all data will be in your VivoLead app. Now just remember to select a country from the country list. Press the back to save contact details and go back to the main screen for opportunity registration. Here you can carry on with other registrations for the current opportunity. Press qualification and move on to the qualification screen. Start selecting the sales event at the top. The app will always remember your last event registration and preset it according to this value. So if you are at a trade show, the app will remember the last event name for you. But pressing the green arrow icon will take you to the list of events to choose from. When going back, you just need to make your selections according to the client's needs. At the button on the qualification screen, you will find your product listing, which is mandatory. You need to check at least one product to save the entire qualification section. When done, press the top green arrow icon to go back to the main opportunity screen. Press Sales Material to move on to this section. Here you specify what exact type of product brochures, web pages, and digital files you would like to share with the client. Let's press the brochure folder icon and go to the brochure selection list. Here you just check off which brochures you would like to share with the client. If you would like to show the brochure to the client, you can press the green link icon to the right and the app will show the brochure here. The remaining sales materials section works in the very same way as the brochure section. Press Notes if you want to add any extra notes for the client. Here you can also add 2 extra photos with comments if needed. If you want to make it easy to enter notes, you can press the microphone on your device keyboard and just speak to the VivoLead app that will convert your speech to text and insert it here. Alongside the opportunity registration, you also have the option of creating activities that relate to the current client. Press Activities to go to this section. The most important activity is to confirm everything in an email to the client, attached with all the sales materials you have selected for the client for further information. You can send the mail by pressing the big email icon at the top of the screen. When doing this, you can select between a number of predefined email templates, either the ones that come standard with the system or the ones that your VivoLead administrator has defined for you. The top template named Confirmation is the system default template where you can choose between 6 languages to reply back to the client in. All other templates below the confirmation email are custom email templates created by your VivoLead administrator. Pick any one that suits your client's needs. From the email template, you can see that it has been auto-generated for you to define what product interest the client had and is enclosed with the related sales materials you have selected. Before sending the email to the client, you can decide to share this outgoing email with any colleague or partner. Just press the plus icon that will take you to a predefined list of colleagues and partners. And select the ones you would like to share this email with. If the client replies back to the received email, it will go straight back to the email sender. When you are ready to send the mail, just press the Send Mail icon in the top right corner and the VivoLead app will send the email. Once the email is sent, you will be taken to the opportunity list page where a green email icon indicates that your confirmation mail has been sent. Besides the email confirmation, you can add other activities to an opportunity registration. Press Activities to go to the section. Instead of making an email, you can now press the plus icon in the top right corner and create a new activity according to the activity list options. This might come in handy if there is specific important information that you would like to relate to the selected client. Pressing the activity type will allow you to pick an activity type that fits your needs, and pressing the below date will allow you to set a future due date. Finally, you can make a small note and attach this to the activity. Once created, it will appear under the email icon, and you can add as many activities as you like for one client. When you go back to the opportunity list, you can press the activity icon in the button navigation bar and see a full list of all the activities you have created. You can select any activity from the list and go to this registration and mark it done whenever the activity has been completed. You will now see a green checkmark on the activity list indicating the activity has been completed. For further information, we kindly ask you to check out our support pages online.